Hi everyone, Succulents Box here, and today we're going to share a few things that you can do to coax a vibrant red hue out of your succulents. Basically, most succulents will begin with a green color, but will turn red or other vibrant colors as part of their adaptive response to extreme conditions. How? First is by exposing your succulents to more sunlight. Give them as much as 6 hours of direct sunlight a day to bring out their brilliant red hues. But remember to do this slowly, or else they might end up burning their leaves rather than making them turn red. You can start by moving them to a fully shaded area first, then gradually transferring them into a place with more sunlight. In case your area doesn't get that much sunlight, consider using a grow light to supplement their lighting needs and maintain their rich color. Aside from increasing their light exposure, you also need to deprive your succulents of watering. Bear in mind that although perfectly watered succulents grow healthy and happy, this will often lead them to become green and lose their vibrant color. So, if your goal is to produce a rich red color, you'll have to cut back with your watering routine a little. For example, you normally water your succulents every 7 to 10 days. Try changing it to at least once every 2 weeks to stress them enough to turn red, and at the same time prevent any damage that may be caused by underwatering. And remember to check your succulents for any sign of underwatering and adjust to your watering schedule if you need to. Another way to make your succulent red is to introduce them to cold temperatures for as low as 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And in just a few days, you should start seeing some red color appearing on their leaves. During the summer seasons, keep the temperature around your succulents between 70 and 40 degrees for an extended period of time to maintain the intensity of their color. Make sure to remember these numbers, as exposing them to a higher or lower temperature than what they have mentioned may either damage or cause them to lose their vibrancy. As usual, soil also plays a big part here. They not only make sure that your succulents will grow healthy and strong, but also helps with the process of making their colors vibrant and at the same time keeping them that way. With that in mind, you should avoid using soil that's too organic, as this will most likely affect the growth of your succulents. Instead, use porous and well-drained ones with at least 50% inorganic matter like perlite and pumice. This should give your succulent better drainage and as well as proper root growth. Using just the right size of containers also helps in keeping them bright. Plus, it allows the succulent to grow to their full potential and at the same time lessens the risk of root rot if the pot is too big. Preferably, the ideal size of pot you have to use should be about ½ an inch larger in both height and diameter. And that's all for today's video. Hope you guys found these tips helpful and useful in making your succulents brighter and livelier. We'll see you again next time.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.